calm your mind and start taking gentle, slow, and deep breaths. Now, while watching the magnificent scenery of autumn sea, try to recall the images of the people you love or the memories of the times you spent with them. Now, close your eyes and continue to breathe slowly. With your eyes closed, you concentrate on the voice you hear. Now, visualize yourself sitting on the chair and watching the beautiful and peaceful sea. Allow yourself to inhale slowly and deeply while watching the beautiful scenery of the sea. Now, you are sitting on the chair and watching the lovely view of the sea. The blue sea is so lovely and peaceful. Feel yourself becoming comfortable while looking at the beautiful sea. Now, pay attention to the sound of the peaceful sea and draw the picture in your mind. Listen to the sound of waves rolling in from the deep sea as you continue to breathe slowly. Feel all the fatigue in your mind fade away with the sound of waves as you are watching softly, gently rolling waves. Feel all the negative thoughts wash away with the waves. Let peace flooding into your mind. Bright blue light is shining on the sea. Whenever you breathe in, imagine the bright blue light coming into your nose. More and more bright light comes into your nose each time you breathe in. Bright blue is coming into your body through your nose and spreading all over your body. Now, the bright light is moving around within your body and driving out all the negative energy from your body. You feel all the negative energy gradually escaping through your nose while you breathe out. Now, very bright blue light is moving around the inside of your body and curing every part of your body. Now, your body is healthier than ever, and your mind is filled with confidence. When you open your eyes, your mind will be very fresh and clear. Now, take 3 deep breaths and open your eyes.